1,000 plus data sets, plus we're generating more data sets every day, so that's going all the time. As we know, technology is progressing on an exponential scale, but the challenge becomes how to keep up, how to keep your systems up with all the latest advances so that you get to participate in this exponential progression. Because what happens with time, your system tends to be coded in a certain language using a certain system, and then you have to sort of feed yourself and keep the lights on while at the same time embracing the latest technologies. So that's the challenge in that. The third element of this is the access to global talent and ideas. Now, with the COVID happening about a year ago, we all became, we started to interact virtually, and so it became really quite easy to have meetings with people anywhere, and really you kind of travel at the speed of light, and the only thing separating you from other people really are other time zones. But at WorldQuant, we've been global for quite some time. We opened our China office in 2006, and today we have 23 offices in 13 countries. So we've been global for a while, and also I've been working like this for a while as well, even before COVID happened. So we were kind of, relatively well prepared for the transition, and the transition has been at once hard, but also opportunity and a catalyst to push things forward. So let me go on. This map shows how we're dispersed geographically. And at WorldQuant, we're all about diversity and diversification. We have extreme diversification.
在这里面 Igor 提到了它有很多的 diversification， 但是你能发现他们的 research center 呢，往往分布在北京、上海、以色列的城市、莫斯科，然后 Poland， 还有 Vietnam， 还有越南。那么这一些无疑呢都是发展中国家，并且可能他们的数理基础也是比较强。
Around the world, because talent is distributed equally around the world, but opportunity is not. So we've been going to places that were high on talent but low on opportunity. So long time ago already, we opened offices in all these locations. So all this talent requires coordination, and I will take you now to the next slide, which is our Alpha Factory. And we took the trading process and we broke it down into its elements. So we have about 300 people who are making the alpha signals. This is in offices everywhere. And then these alpha signals are put together into kind of this cascade of information. Alphas are put into meta-alphas. Meta-alphas are put into strategies. Strategies are put into strategies belong to particular PMs. And we have another group which dynamically allocates size between PMs based on global utility to the firm. So this is all represented in this nice little picture here. That's our Alpha factory. But what are the benefits of the factory? You can really break the process down into small pieces, so you can focus on each piece. And you can just hire very, very smart people, and because the pieces are not large, you can teach them the basics very quickly. So we have people starting to produce alpha signals within a week or 2 weeks after they begin, and same with other areas. And linking all these pieces together is a pretty much formulaic compensation system that has been evolving and took a while to come.
这里面呢，Igor很隐晦地表达了自己对 Alpha Researcher 的这样的一个招聘流程。他虽然在里面说了一个很小的数字，说我们 Alpha Researcher 数量很小，但实际上他全球有非常多的兼职学生或者是爱好者在帮他挖掘 Alpha Researcher， 然后他只要从其中把低质量的去除掉，把高质量的弄出来就可以了。
Creation of the strategy. So we're a great big giant machine. We have incidentally we have 600 employees, closer to 700 today, 600 plus employees.